P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
There is a glass.
And that's it. It looks like my camera's fading a lot on the old phone. This is the last one of the night. Oh, speckled hen. I'll still use it, right, because occasionally the camera does work. But today I've had a lot of, yeah, it works with Snapchat. I should use Snapchat.
I tried to think back to when I decided to wear a purple suit. I don't know when that happened. I think I just took Victoria's lead on it, but what were we thinking?
But it was fun. We weren't worried about what people were going to say. I mean, Christ, how lovely to be that way.
I've got another beautiful son and Mummy's very, very good, so...
Let me tell you what Posh would say. Posh was pissed off.
Pero sí estoy muy triste, muy decepcionado por la manera en lo que hemos hecho estos dos. Hemos acordado también, de mutuo acuerdo con Carlos Queiroz, su no continuidad en el club. La contratación de Camacho como nuevo entrenador del Real Madrid.
Potentially front seat passenger. He can't tell us anything.
A search is underway for the Land Rover driver and passenger who have left the scene.
And these no thing have seen the mail out of this car, so before anybody leaves, we just have to this.
Crash Detective Di leads the forensic search for the cause of the collision.
In rural areas, unless the vehicle involved's got a dash cam, you don't tend to get the collision captured on camera. But that
Hello?
Hello, Jenny. I've got Bobby here. I've got the new coat. It's all laid on. How's everything at your end? Have you fixed it with your husband?
Yes.
It's the £5,000 Canadian mint. Yeah, the one you wanted. I'm pricing it at 500. I should...
How was you postuling in Cumberland?
I'm sorry about that coat, my darling. But don't you worry. I'll make it up to you this afternoon in some other way.
Okay. Goodbye.
Just one tiny thing, darling.
Yes?
You've forgotten the coat.
No, I haven't.
I think what Mr. Bodley means... Shut up. What Mr. Bodley means is you can't have the...
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.